Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from Chelsea's Beads from their Black Friday sale. Got a chunk of beads here. They had 50% off their tribal beads, so hello, had to shop. So I'm gonna open this up. This one was originally $9, so it's $4.50. It's 18 by 32 millimeter shape mix, red, orange, yellow, white swirl, resin, copal, amber beads, sold per 15-inch strand. So I don't think these are like actual copal beads, but I can't. I mean, there's so many different. It's hard to tell real like copal resin. You can do a float test. These are really pretty, and I think these are probably old stock too, but I'm guessing they're replicas because there's no way you can get like real copal beads for $9. You just got to look at the price too. So, but I really like them. This one is pretty awesome, as well as this one. And for $4.50, come on, these are so cool. I love them. They're gorgeous. Couldn't stay away from those. I actually think I bought these the last time I shopped with Chelsea's Beads, and now that I'm looking at these, I'm mad that I bought them again because they're small, way smaller. I was not paying attention to the size than I thought they were going to be. They're 6 by 3 millimeter saucers. They're Dalmatian jasper. They were only $2.50 though, so that's not too bad. They're cute, but I first had it in my head that they were going to be way bigger, but I love them. I love them, but I'm mad that I bought them. I got these 7 millimeter cubes. They're pale lepidolite beads. They were originally $7. I got them for $3.50. So the last time I shopped with them, I also got some cube beads that were green and purple, but I loved like the purple in these. And I don't have a lot of lepidolite. It's not something that I gravitate towards. So I really like these. Like that shape. We've got some yellow roundels, what they're calling them, 16 by 9 millimeter. These were $7, but I got them for $3.50. 15-inch strand. They're just glass, but they're definitely like more earthy looking than, I know this color doesn't scream earthy, but like more primitive looking than regular glass bead that I usually get. So I love them. I thought, they're really big. I wish I would have maybe gotten more colors, but I just wasn't sure. So I got this color and I got them in orange. I don't even know that they had a ton of colors anyway. They might have had red, but I got it in orange. And I don't know if you can see on the camera that it does have some really cool striations in there. And I just really love them. Oh, and I think their like gemstones were on half off. That's why I ended up buying those. It wasn't just the tribal beads. Obviously, these are tribal. These are 14 by 16 millimeter barrel tubes, yellow, black, white stripes, 15-inch strand. They were originally $5, which I thought $5 for this is a great deal, but I got them for $2.50. Are you kidding me? I only bought one. Oh well. I went a little nuts with Black Friday, so it's okay that I only bought one. Different yellow than these, and they're really cool. They're big. These are probably from India. That's just my thought. They do a lot of nice like tribal replica beads, and that's how they can do that price. Same beads, but in red. And, well, this is funny. Some are red and some are orange, and I'm okay with that. It kind of runs like ombre because not every single one's the same red. This one's completely different. That one's got like blue underneath it. That's awesome. Love that. And then last, but certainly not least, these 18 by 14 millimeter barrel red, white chevron glass beads, 15-inch strand. So I have a lot of chevron glass beads, but I don't have anything this big. They tend to be stupidly expensive because there's so many layers of glass and you have to cut them and things like that. And the real African ones are hundreds of dollars. Hundreds. Like, I held one strand up and I asked the guy at Tucson a couple years ago, I was like, hey, how much is this? And he's like, oh, $600. And I was like, oh, okay, well, that's going to stay here today. So this one was $6 after the discount, so they used to be 12. They're bigger, they're chunkier. This is something that I would make the focal, not, you know, the background bead, most likely. Yeah, they're really gorgeous. I don't know what my favorite is. Maybe these. I think all of these are my favorite. Like, I like the 2 stone beads, but like all of these are my favorite. So let me know what you think. I'm sure Chelsea still has these. I don't think they're all still on sale, but yeah, I'm really excited to use them. And you can see that's not my typical color palette. It's all oranges and yellows and reds. Typically we go blue, purple, green over here. So I don't even know that I saw a lot of blue, purple, green, and that's fine. Sometimes you got to step out of that comfort zone. So anyway, let me know what your favorite is. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. You've been in my face for at least a half hour, but the second I get the camera out, you act like I'm the paparazzi and you don't want me around.